Hello Peaches, happy Friday. How was everyone's Thanksgiving? I hope amazing. Did I hit play on this? Hopefully the lighting is okay. It is so stormy today and it is supposed to be stormy for the next few days. To address my hair and appearance really quickly, we scheduled someone to come service the house yesterday and they did not show up. So we rescheduled for today and they did not show up. So they were originally gonna come earlier today and I didn't have time to wash my hair, and today is definitely hair wash day. I'm gonna ask we just ignore the hair, okay? So I got some PR recently. I haven't done one of these videos in a while and I thought it'd be fun to just kind of go through. I need to calm down. I just thought it would be fun to go through and see what the brands are doing, see what is new and happening. So let's go. First things first, I love the brand Ever. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you have seen me post several times about their skincare. One of my shout out products for them is the body butter. It smells heavenly and is not sticky and heavy. I've really been trying to up my skincare game, but I cannot stand the feel of lotion before putting your clothes on, you know what I'm saying? If I lotion up my legs really good and then put jeans on, that's a huge sensory problem for me. I've been on the hunt for products that I can use and still feel like I can get dressed for the day. That's one of them. I love how it smells and it just feels good on. To be totally honest, I did not know that they had anything that dabbled in the makeup realm. Dustin and Dash are playing Oobleck right now, and I think Dash may be having a meltdown. Should I interfere? I'll let him do it today. So I saw them post these on Instagram. It is their Smooth Peptide Lip Therapy. If you have followed me for any amount of time, the one thing you're gonna know about me, my lips are chronically dry. So if I can put anything on there that is going to make them look like they are not the Sahara Desert, I'm gonna be trying them. And these have such pretty colors. Obviously, I still have the little boxes. Sometimes I have to put things back in boxes to remember to talk about them. But I'm gonna do an overlay right here so you guys can see what the colors look like. Very excited for these. Thank you so much, Ever, for sending these over. I've had 2 cups of coffee and now I'm having an Alani. I just want to be fast and anxious, you know? One of the reasons I'm doing this unboxing is to get rid of the boxes. I'm going to show you guys the room a little right now. I have started cleaning out so many areas of the house, and decluttering will have you really in your head what is wrong with me? Clearly I have a spending problem. Clearly I have a things material problem. And so this room has sort of become the catch-all. I'm listing some things on Poshmark. I have a big tote of toys that I'm maybe gonna donate. I don't really know what to do with them. I have a big stack of boxes that are PR. So this was the first to go. Really quickly, I don't have the box or product down here, but I'm gonna put a little thing here, or here, wherever I have room on the screen to put. Color Sonic. So I've heard so many people talking about this, and I will have a video of it coming up on Instagram, my first use of it. I'm going to film my second use of it to put it on my YouTube channel. I really enjoyed the L'Oreal Color Sonic. I did not think that I would, but it was so quick and easy, and I had heard so many people saying it was really messy. I could definitely see how it could be messier, but to me it wasn't too much more so than just doing regular color. I really enjoyed it. I'm gonna do a video on it, so I'm not gonna say too much about it right now. Very much enjoyed, very much. Again, I kept the empty box to remember to talk about it, but Neutrogena sent me over a full line of products. And my hair, I have changed up some vitamins. I'm really trying to get my health under control. I'm working out, taking the vitamins, drinking the water, whatever, to try to get in the best state possible. And my hair is one of those things that after I had a baby, I just cannot, it's just not normal hair anymore. It's so thin. I feel like it's oily, quicker. It's just, you hear people talk about losing your hair after you have a baby, but it's insane. And especially because I would notice how much hair was coming out, but when you look at the whole thing all together.
My hair might be purple a little bit.
How come?
Sprinkles. Because and I did it. I was all alone.
Okay. Love you. I've noticed a lot when I'm going to style my hair, I'm like, it's so flat and limp, and that is partly because I just don't have a lot of hair anymore. I'm very excited to try this line. Like I said, I already opened it, so you guys are seeing the quick little video of me unboxing all the products. I am going to give this a good go for like at least a month and see what kind of results we're talking about. I feel like here especially, I just can see my scalp so much here and in the front of my hairline, and it's so embarrassing and I can't stand it, but I'm lucky to have the hair that I do, so I'm not complaining. It'll be fine. I would like thicker hair. As a little bonus, I'm gonna put this picture of when I was pregnant and my hair was huge. Prenatals, I don't know if it was honestly pregnancy hormones or the prenatals or both of those together, but my hair was genuinely like this tall after I would blow dry it. And I miss that girl, wish she was back. Next up, I have this cute little package that says, in case of emotional overflow, from Garnier. So this is their Garnier Waterproof Micellar Water. They sent some magic. It says, spray this card with water to reveal a message. Cute little case. I love it in cases like this, and I really do use them. So it looks like we have their Micellar Cleansing Eco Pads. I love these. There's something about washing your face or doing your skincare like this with one of these that makes it feel sort of like you're getting a facial, and I love that. I've been using the makeup erasers, the little, like, they look like this, when I wash my face, and it's so nice and soothing. I don't know why, but it really is. And then of course the Micellar Cleansing Water, a cult favorite. Fun fact, did you know if you have dirty sneakers? You guys know I used to run a thrift store before I started doing this full time. I have a lot of tricks. If you have dirty sneakers on like the rubber part, if you use micellar water, it cleans them up magically. So good. Thank you, Garnier, for this cute little package. I'm kind of throwing this one in here. I got this in exchange for doing a review for them, but I think it's a really good gift idea. It's still a good little bit of money, but it is the Sephora Favorites perfume sampler, and you get like, how many are in here? 20 fragrance samples, and you get a coupon for a free full-size perfume. It's $98, which sounds like a lot for samples, but I like that you do get the coupon for the full size, and I think this is a great way to be able to wear the perfume for like a full day and really truly test it out. I'm having deja vu. Have I already filmed this video? I don't think so. Obviously, fragrance changes with your body chemistry and like throughout the day and everything, and so I think this is a good idea to like wear it, test it, see how it does, and then buy your perfume at the end. Anyways, just thought I'd throw that in there. Next is Good Molecules. I was like Good Molecules #1 fan when they first started out. You guys can go back and watch videos from years ago. I'm trying to think. I think I was already married and living here. It may have been before I even was married. I've been using them for a long time. I love their little toner and the makeup primers, like my two favorite items from them. But they sent me an email and asked if they could send me something. So here's what they sent. Sent over their Yerba Mate Wake Up Eye Gel, which I actually forgot I do have this. I am so crazy, and that's one of the reasons why I'm really trying to downsize everything, especially like makeup and skincare. I'm trying to get to a routine of just a couple products, which I'm doing really good at, by the way. I had seen an ad for this and I was like, I kind of really do want to try that. And then I was going through my skincare like 2 weeks later and I was like, oh, I already have this. But this was a motivator for me to use my other one up. Next is their hyaluronic acid serum. I love hyaluronic acid. I think it is one of the best skincare ingredients in the game. And of course I love a serum. This is the toner I'm talking about. It's the niacinamide brightening toner. I don't know what makes this one so good, but it is truly a very, very good toner at a very affordable price. Did they say? I don't know how much this is, but a lot of their products are like under $20, I think. And the other thing that's not in here, because I already opened it, is the Lightweight Daily Moisturizer, which retails for $12. Hyaluronic acid serum is $6, and the Yerba Mate Eye Gel retails for $6 as well. Unbeatable prices. Thank you so much, Good Molecules, for sending this over. Next, I have some cute little things from Peach and Lily. I love Peach and Lily. They have some of my favorite like deep skincare things. First, they sent over their Glass Skin Ginseng Collagen Mask. I can't remember, have I used one of these yet? I think I tried to be good and not use a lot of these products so I could show you guys first, but I love these like thicker masks. I love a good sheet mask as well, but these thicker ones really do some sort of magic on my skin. The kind where you put it on, wait till it turns clear, and then you can take it off. This illuminates, refines, pores, firms, hydrates, and nourishes. We love that. And then I also have this cute little box from them. First, I love this. This is like a tin. I don't know why that's the coolest. I love any like merch from a brand that you can reuse like that. But they have these little eye patches that are so cute. And it looks like this is their snail rescue line. I've not used any of this from them, so I'm super excited to try this out. This is their snail rescue blemish busting toner that clarifies, strengthens for even skin. It has 95% snail mucin concentrate, which does freak me out a little bit. Then the snail rescue ultimate eye gel. I'm very excited for this because in all of the things I have successfully conquered about my skin, I feel like one I just can't get better is my under eye area. I have really dark under eye circles, and I think those are never going away. They're only going to get darker, but I just like to really baby that part of my skin. And then lastly is the Snail Rescue Intensive Wash Off Jelly Mask. Maybe I'll do that tonight. Thank you, Peach and Lily, for sending over this little package. Similarly, I have something from Skin Republic, which I don't know if I've ever tried something from them. They sent over so many of the overnight masks that are similar to the like thicker ones. I will say, I have tried one of these already, and I don't know why. It's like it wouldn't fit my face properly. Maybe I have a weird face. But on the top, I had like this much extra, so it was literally laying in my hair. So I left it on for a little while. You're supposed to obviously leave this on overnight, which is the like name of it. I could not. I was like, this is never gonna stay on my face. It just felt a little like slipperier than the typical thicker masks. Usually I can put those on and they're like on my skin, and this one just kind of felt more sheet masky, if that makes sense. Nonetheless, thank you Skin Republic for sending this over. Is this an odd one to include? I don't think so. This is a company called SealVac, and they asked me if they could send some of these over. To be honest with you, I don't actually know what's in this package. This is the box, and the point of this is that it makes like sealing things easier in your jars. There's a charger in here. Wait, what is this? I think I misunderstood. Oh, I see. I think I see. It's for vacuum sealing, but how does it work? So this is the vacuum sealer, and you charge this little guy, put the food in the jar, and then put this on top and press the button when it's charged, and it vacuum seals it. That's really cool. This past summer, I really thought I was gonna get more into gardening, and I did. I did have a garden over the summer that we did cucumbers, tomatoes, a couple different variants, and strawberries, and we did okay. But I really wanted to get into like jarring, canning, pickling, and all that kind of thing. So I'm very excited for this. I also have one of the tinier jars too. I guess you could use any mason jar with this. Just the lids is what matters. Thank you SealVac for sending this my way. Lastly, I was so excited to see this show up at my door. I have not opened it because I wanted to open it with you guys, but Urban Decay sent me over 2 products. First is their all-nighter all-day wear makeup setting spray with a matte finish. I need this today. I have been struggling so much again with oily skin all of a sudden, and I usually use the like original all-nighter formula to set my makeup. Very excited for this. And then I can't wait to open this. Let me put this down. This is their Naked Shaped Multitasking Palette. Creams, mattes, shimmers, glimmers, shape, shade, define, and sculpt for your eyes and beyond. Whew, that was a lot to say. This is giving nostalgia because look at how you open it. Did anyone have that kind of phone? I never did. I always wanted it, but I never had it. Gorgeous. I love these colors. I'm interested to see how this lighter shade's gonna do because sometimes I feel like there must be something about the formula for like a white shimmer that almost always is so chunky. I just like to open the palette. I mean, thank you so much, Urban Decay, for sending this over. I think that's everything. I feel like I'm forgetting something. I always feel like I'm forgetting something if we're being honest. I'm interested to know if you guys have tried any of these things out or if you would. Definitely doing a tutorial featuring the Urban Decay palette for sure. Maybe I'll do like a self-care skincare night and use some of the other products too so you guys can see them in action. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Thank you again to all the brands who have sent me something. This always feels like a dream no matter what I get, no matter who it's from. It just feels unreal to me. I hope that you guys have a great weekend and I will see you next Friday. Bye.